What if finding the right home isn't actually the hardest part? What if finding the right community, the right lifestyle, and the right people is what changes everything? If you're a child-free adult who loves the outdoors, your pets, trying new restaurants, weekend adventures, and building a life on your own terms, you're in the right place. I'm Shelley Holloway, and this channel is all about helping you discover what it's really like to live in Denver and the incredible communities throughout West Denver. This isn't another real estate channel filled with endless listing videos. Here, we'll explore the neighborhoods where you can walk to your favorite coffee shop, hit the trails after work, spend weekends with your dog, connect with like-minded people, and build a lifestyle that feels like home. You'll find neighborhood tours, local businesses, hiking trails, dog-friendly spots, community events, market updates, buying and selling tips, and honest conversation about choosing a lifestyle that fits you the best. Because buying a home isn't just about square footage or finishes. It's about waking up somewhere that matches the life that you actually want to live. Whether you're relocating to Denver, looking for your next neighborhood, downsizing, upgrading, or simply just searching for a stronger sense of community, my goal here is to help you make confident decisions without the pressure or the sales pitch. If that sounds like the kind of content that you've been looking for, subscribe and join me as we explore the best places to live and connect and thrive throughout Denver. And if you're ready to find a home and a community that truly fits your lifestyle, book a call with me using the links below. I'd love to help you make your next move. Now tell me in the comments, what's the one thing your ideal neighborhood absolutely has to have? Is it trail access, walkability, great restaurants, dog-friendly parks, or is it something else entirely? Your answer might inspire my next video.